Hello everyone, welcome to Min SOLIDWORKS tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to look at the basic of line tools. So let's start. So first we need to make a file, SOLIDWORKS file. So create a SOLIDWORKS file. Okay, let's create. Click here and part file. Okay. Then this is the sketch area and there are so many planes. So first we need to select a plane and sketch. Select a plane, normal, make it normal, then sketch. Then here you can see there are line tools. So in line tools there are three type of lines. So center line, mid line and line. So first of all we see the line tools. So click line tools and here to here, click right and select. Now we see there are another line type. This is the center line. If we select the center line, this will be dotted line. This is also called constraint geometry. And so select. We can convert this center line into this line by right click and construct geometry. Then this will be converted into line. We can also convert this line into constraint geometry by selecting again select and by selecting construction geometry. Okay, and we now we will see another line. This is the midpoint line. In some case we need to make equal distance line. So in this case we can select the midpoint line. So select a and select a point from which we are taking the equal line. Imagine this point is here, then you can see this is equal line. Okay, so select equal. So that's all about these two line tools. So now we are removing the unwanted line. Trim. So go for trim entities and left click and drag, left click and drag. Okay, now we are converting these two lines into solid line. So right click and make it uncheck this construction line, also make uncheck this construction line. Now we can convert this area into solid body. So select the features and extrude boss. Then okay, make the thickness into 5 millimeter and okay. So this is the all about the line tools. In next tutorial we will learn the circular tools. Please subscribe for next update. Thank you.